There comes a time when life feels heavy, when you look at yourself and realize this isn't who I was meant to be. The smell fades away, the peace disappears, and even when you're surrounded by people, you still feel empty inside. You know deep down something is missing, and that something is God. Sin promises us happiness but leaves us empty and broken. It gives us temporary pleasure but still eternal peace. The more we run from God, the more lost we become. But listen, God never stopped looking for you. Even in your darkest moments, He still whispered your name. God's love doesn't depend on how perfect you are. It's not about what you have done, it's about who He is. His arms are still open, His grace is still available, and He's still saying, "Come home, my child." Repentance isn't about guilt, it's about freedom. It's not just saying, "I'm sorry," it's saying, "I'm ready to change." It's when your heart says, "Lord, I am tired of running. Take my life and make it new." And when you do that, heaven rejoices. When you walk with God, peace returns, chain fall off. What once controlled you loses its power. You start to see light where there was darkness. You start to feel hope where there was pain. You start to live, not just exist. Read His Word. Talk to Him. Surround yourself with people who push you closer to God. You won't change overnight, but every step you take toward Him, He will take 10 towards you because He loves you more than you can imagine. Maybe today is your turning point. Maybe this is the moment heaven has been waiting for. Don't harden your heart. Don't wait until you're fixed up yourself. Come as you are, just whisper, "Lord, I surrender. I want to live for you." Because a new life doesn't start when you're perfect. It starts when you say, "Yes, God, I'm ready."